Hello. What are brains? Bees pee and bees poop. Brains. Think about it. Scratch it a little bit. Do like that. Make sure it doesn't fall off. For some people, walnuts. My cat is saying hello. Meow meow. Bees pee, honey. Duh. And bees poop. What? It's pollen. I'm gonna do a mix of those. That I put it together like one of each, like a lasagna, and take a teaspoon, supposedly every day, but not really. The walnuts, you crush them, get angry and just like constructively make something good. Pollen, get it from wherever. This was mine. And different types of honey, whatever you can afford. Make sure it's natural. There is a way to figure out, test it. Maybe I'll show you some other time. Keep the comb out. You don't need it for this one. That one I had it in there. So good. That's like feeding rooms for bees. So you see, I put some honey and then pollen and then nuts and then go again and again and again. That's sweet A lasagna. And don't let anything go to waste. Don't worry, it will not get on your waist. Let it drip everything out, and then you can put some hot water in it or just water and let it like mesh together, and you have sweet water later. Add some lemon and drink that. And then of course reuse that jar or I'll find you. Always use plastic or wood when you handle honey, not a metal spoon. No good for you. And there, that's it. That was quick. Brains, bees pee, and bees poop. Bye.